Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Rosemary font. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access display. Then scroll down again and tap on font size and style. Following that, click on font style and tap on download fonts right away. Then install Rosemary 1 by clicking on this icon next to it, or tapping on it and hitting install at the bottom. Then you can apply it from here right away, or go back and click on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!